Non-destructive events are automatically created during the insertion and cutting of audio material. Events are ranges of the audio material that can be modified, regrouped, or faded in later. Select the Event tool in the toolbar to view and edit the existing events. Click the Event tool in the waveform to select this event. If an audio file does not contain any cuts, it will appear as a single continuous event. Events are automatically created during the insertion and cutting of audio material. New events can be created manually by placing the playback cursor in a specific location and cutting the waveform. This creates two independent clips. Events can be split quicker using the S shortcut. At the start of our voice recording, there is a short passage with silence before the first word is spoken. We've separated this passage from the rest of the recording with the Event tool and can now delete it from the file. Select the event and press the Delete key. To avoid any gaps at the start of the recording, drag forward the events that come after the one you have deleted. Play the audio file. It now starts directly from the first word without silence at the start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
To regroup the events, simply move them to their new location. Doing this moves the event over the existing event just like a sheet of paper. The overlapped event underneath can be just as easily dragged out again from under the new event and dragged to another location. Event borders are automatically crossfaded so that there's no clicks. In general, events contain ranges from the audio file that can be increased or decreased in length. Click on an event and move the mouse pointer to one of the event borders until it becomes a double arrow. Then, drag and drop to move the event border in order to increase or decrease event length. If you can't drag the event borders out any further, it means that no more audio material is available in the file from this point. Events can easily be faded in or out. This creates a volume curve. You can use the curve to estimate the current volume curve. You can also drag down the entire curve. This reduces the master volume of the event. Event editing is non-destructive. This means that you can save your event's configuration in the form of a project file and then open it again for further editing at any time, or undo all of the event editing. The original data is not changed. To save the current status of the project, in the Save As dialog, select the option SoundForge Audio Studio Project File.